Simple to Magnificent Meals is a new mini-series where I show you how to turn everyday ingredients into something nutritious, delicious, and full of vitality. Today's recipe starts with a humble tin of tuna, a delicious twist for a simple snack or a nutritious lunch. What makes it extra special is many of the ingredients I picked fresh from my garden, paired with homemade onion bread, made in the bread maker, crisped and browned in the oven. I mixed the tuna with mayonnaise, crème fraîche, raspberry vinegar, lemon juice and a splash of olive oil, then added herbs, shallot and sliced mini green pepper, piled onto toasted onion bread to make a colourful, nourishing plate. And there you have it, a simple ingredient turned into a magnificent meal, because food isn't just fuel. Food is also creativity, vitality and joy. So I will pop the ingredients into the description for you. And if you have any variations of your own, let me know how you get on.